to try to teach y'all how to apply a wig closure for the 100th time. Like, I've reused this wig so many times. This is the wig. I have on my wig cap. My hair is in 2 braids, nothing fancy. I'm just gonna, this is what it looks like. I'm just placing it to see where it's gonna go to make sure that it stays flat. So I was able to get it as straight as I could for the moment. As flat, my bad, as flat as I could. So now I'm gonna take it off. Whenever I'm doing a closure wig, I'm not doing the wig cap method, ball cap method. I'm just taking it. I'm taking any gel you use, got to be, you can use this, or you can just use regular gel. Whatever you want to use. And just push it back. Because this part, I'm putting glue here. I want to put this part down as my edge on my sideburn. Then I'm going to take my edge brush, push all of that back, bring this to the front, push it back, then put it down. Once you have this down, you can use freeze spray or whatever you want to use to keep it. People always say, wait till it dries clear, wait till it dries clear. Sometimes it's not going to dry like clear, but you're going to get as close as clear as you can. Whether you use a foam or a gel, I'm going to with this. I'm just going to spray that there. Take my brush. Edges are probably one of the hardest things to do for an install because you really don't know how you want them to look. I always push mine out and down. That's just how I like them. Literally all about just working with it, and then afterwards I'll take a little bit of gel, put it at the top, and continue to work with it. That's literally all you do, is just work with it. Pull back what you might gonna use so it can give you scalp. And then just continue, literally continue playing with it until it looks how you want it to. That's literally the best advice that I could give. Just mess with it. And then again, you just go in with your hot comb. I always burn myself. It never fails. I just burn myself right here. Let's hope it doesn't leave a mark. I love me a nice, cute little side part. And y'all seen in the beginning how it was like bulky and now it's flatter? I tell you, you just gotta work with it. You just gotta work with it. I didn't have to use the band, no nothing. It's been over 3 months, I think, since I posted my last video. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to abandon y'all, but life just be happening. So much has happened in the last 3 months. August, September, October. August took me on a roller coaster. The way August went, I don't want another month to go like that. Ever. Like, ever. But hey, we made it through. Because during that time, I didn't think I was gonna make it through. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I really did not think that I was gonna make it through August. September. Yeah, we can say those 2 months. These right here, if you've never had them, get them. I got the strawberry and mango. Strawberry, hands down. Do not ask me what barrel this is. I got one. Ooh, baby, that's hot. Love this feature that they have on these cameras where you can zoom out. Love it. So I'm going to take a regular comb. Low-key want to cut this, but my scissors are not in here. I don't close it when I first put it down. I turn it and then I close it. You're probably like, what's the difference? I don't freaking know. And then you just open and close until you get it all the way down to the end. I'm gonna have to do like a more in-depth video of curling hair, but I'm going for loose beach. I'm not going for tight. Yeah, because when I comb it out, it's gonna be so cute. If you are still here watching, thank you. I'm low-key boring, for real. That's why I don't be posting. Because I'm low-key boring. I don't go anywhere. If I'm not at home, I'm working. If I'm not working, I'm at home. Or like, I'm just starting to go out a little more with co-workers that I more so consider as friends, not just co-workers. But yeah, if I'm not doing that, I might be with some cousins, or I'm literally at home. I need to get back into going places. Like I used to go to the movies a lot by myself. I need to get back into stuff like that. But I haven't been off. I try to only go on Tuesdays because it's cheaper. But I need to get back into doing those things on like my days off. Going to the movies and then like getting a massage, just treating myself. I need to get back into doing things like that. I think that's very important for anybody, not just females. Males too. Go get that massage. So I'm gonna do this side and then I'll come back when I'm completely finished before I rake it. Something people don't talk a lot about is how hard it is to curl the right side of your head. Especially when you're not used to it. Because again, I'm used to curling my wigs off my mannequins. So like, trying to remember that I need to do it this way and not the other way because I want it to flow back, not forward. Yeah, it can get a little difficult. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when I get to the front. So I'm curling it backwards. Until I get all the hair wrapped up, and then I let it sit for a little minute. I do touch it. I'm a toucher. I don't use hairspray. I just go straight into it. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the two fronts. Put that into 2 sections. This one, I don't go all the way to the top because then it's gonna be short. I hope that makes sense. So I'm gonna go this way first, and then I'm gonna take it to the back. Take it, go like this first, just the ends. Because again, this is right in the front is short. And then you take it, and go back. Not too much, not too much. Okay. Now time for the fun part. So layering and cutting is really where you get like the layering of it. So if I was to cut this, it would flow. I'm gonna try to cut it. I'll use some scissors, but LeBang. Wherever you want the curl to start, that's where you cut. And I'm not cutting a lot, just a little bit. It's best to cut little by little, then cut a whole chunk, and then you can't reverse it. So I'm just seeing where I want it to layer. And I want more sort of kind of like up in here. Just look at it. Now, you'll go in with the color. And then, boom, you have more layers.